Stop what you're doing. The way you use your computer is about to change forever. What if you could have an AI agent living on your computer that doesn't just talk to you, but actually does the work for you? Organizing your files, creating reports, and managing your digital life, all while you focus on what matters. This is Claude Cowork, the brand new feature from Anthropic, the creators of the Claude AI. It's not just another chatbot. It's an agentic AI designed to be your personal digital coworker. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete, step-by-step guide on what Cowork is, how to set it up, and how to use it to supercharge your productivity. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just someone tired of digital clutter, you're in the right place. So what can Cowork actually do? Imagine giving Claude access to a specific folder on your computer. From there, it can organize your messy downloads folder, intelligently renaming files based on their content. It can analyze a folder full of receipt images and automatically create a detailed expense report in a spreadsheet. And it can synthesize your scattered notes into a polished first draft of a report. This is a huge shift from just chatting with an AI. You delegate the task, Cowork makes a plan, and it executes, keeping you in the loop the entire time. It's built on the same powerful foundation as the popular Claude code, but designed for everyone. Now, before we dive in, let's manage expectations. As of today, Cowork is a research preview. Think of it like a beta. It's only available for macOS users with a Claude Max subscription. This means it's still evolving and we need to be careful. Ready to get started? Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Get Claude Max. You'll need to be subscribed to the Claude Max plan. You can do this on the Anthropic website. Step 2. Install the Mac app. Download and install the official Claude desktop application for macOS. Step 3. Enable Cowork. Once installed, open the app settings and you'll find the option to enable the Cowork Research Preview. Step 4. Grant folder access. This is the most important step. Cowork needs permission to access a folder. I strongly recommend creating a new, empty folder specifically for Cowork to start. Let's call it Cowork Test. Drag some non-sensitive files into it. Now, in the app, you'll be prompted to select the folder you want Cowork to work in. Select your new folder and grant the permissions. Remember, only give it access to data you are comfortable with it modifying. All right, let's put Cowork to the test. For our first demo, I've got a folder here with a bunch of messy screenshots and documents. My prompt is simple. Please organize this folder. Rename the files based on their content and group them into subfolders by topic. Look at that. Created a plan and now it's executing. In just a few moments, my messy folder is perfectly organized. Incredible. Now for something more advanced. Here's a folder full of receipt photos. My prompt is, analyze these receipts and create a CSV file named Expenses, CSV with 3 columns, vendor, date, and total amount. And there it is, a perfect expense log created in seconds. The amount of time this can save is just mind-boggling. To get the best results and stay safe, here are 3 essential tips. First, be specific with your prompts. Don't just say clean this up. Tell it how you want it cleaned up. The more detail you give, the better the result. Second, always review the plan. Before Cowork makes any changes, it tells you what it's going to do. Read this carefully. If you don't like the plan, you can cancel it and change your prompt. And third, be aware of a risk called prompt injection. This is where a malicious file or web page could trick the AI. This is why it's so important to only use Cowork on files you trust. Claude Cowork is a glimpse into the future of personal computing, a future where we delegate tasks to AI agents. While it's still early, the potential is undeniable. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. And I want to hear from you. What tasks are you going to automate with Claude Cowork? Let me know in the comments below.